Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's take a look inside and see what came in the mail. There we go. And hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's home. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is a new month. And now we have to show you guys something cool. Coming from Unicorn Beetle. SUPCASE. What's up? We got the holographic logo. Drop protection. Oh, that's something we need. Especially the way the phones cost now. If you don't get that insurance, they want $249 to fix a cracked screen. Outrageous. Whoa. It's like a bulletproof case. Yay. And it does not come with a screen protector. There's a lot of people you see in the comments that's yelling about the screen protector, but you gotta get your own screen protector. So that should be here tomorrow. But right now, this is the phone case. That's for your belt clip if you wanna have it on that. Here is case, looking good. Knock somebody out with that. Alright, should be easy. Oh. See, separate front. There we go. I can have it like standing ways once I get it in. This is something different. Alright, lock it in. I can remove the sticker. Alright. I see how you go. Interesting. Indeed. Oh, look at that. How you doing? Alright, mister. Let's see. Come on. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You can have it long ways. That's what she said. Or you can have it sideways. That is nifty little kickstand action. I don't want to break it. How do I unhook it? Oh, this is going to be a bad time. How do I unhook it? I just got to slide it. There we go, guys. We got it. Right now, I'm using the temporary screen protector they sent you because for some reason they didn't add the other one together. But it'll be here tomorrow for the screen protector. Like I said, though, double check the description or the title too, because some may say it has a screen protector with it, and it don't. So, yeah, double check it though. I mean, this one does not have it. It says it does not have it, but you see it in the comments saying, "Oh, it never came with a screen protector or a lens protector." So you might want to buy a 4-pack of the camera protector and this, but I mean, that is good enough for a temporary. Depends on what you do, how bad you abuse your phone. I mean, I'm pretty cautious, but I don't think I need a lens protector, but it comes with it. Just gotta buy it separate. So Amazon has tons of them right now, especially screen protectors for this phone and also for the camera. But that is a nice camera though. Great phone. I just did an unboxing on it, and now you guys could get the cases for them. Coming from SUPCASE, I think it is called. It's a Beetle, Unicorn Beetle version. That is about it, guys. Be safe out there. Have a great weekend, and I'll probably see you guys this weekend. All right, until then, be safe. See ya.